Coaching conversations often delve into areas such as personal devotion, prayer life, and the practical applications of faith. By addressing these areas, coaches help individuals deepen their relationship with God and live out their faith more authentically. Collins underscores that effective coaching in this context requires a coach who is spiritually mature themselves and grounded in Christian teachings. In Christian coaching, the coach often takes on the role of a spiritual guide, helping clients to navigate their spiritual journeys. This role goes beyond mere goal setting and action planning. It involves discerning God's will, fostering spiritual disciplines, and encouraging a Christ-centered life. Collins emphasized that coaches must themselves be spiritually discerning and committed to their own spiritual growth in order to effectively guide anybody else. The coach's role as a spiritual guide also involves creating a safe and trusting environment where clients feel comfortable exploring their faith and vulnerabilities. This requires empathy, active listening, a safe environment, and a deep understanding of the client's spiritual context. Through this process, clients can experience significant spiritual breakthroughs and a renewed sense of purpose. Very few pastors have any training in this area. You could refer this to your pastor. You can be a valuable help to them. Church leaders, including pastors, ministry leaders, and elders, can greatly benefit from this coaching course. Collins points out that leadership in a church context comes with unique challenges, such as managing congregational dynamics, maintaining personal spiritual health, and also balancing ministry with personal life. Coaching can provide a church leader with the tools and the support needed to navigate these challenges effectively, helping them with team building, vision casting, mission planning, smart goal planning for the organization, the church. And all those things that we do in life coaching, all of them can help your pastor reach the dream that God has given them for the church they imagine. Coaching helps church leaders clarify their vision, develop strategic plans, and enhance their leadership skills. It also offers a confidential, safe, hospitable space for leaders to process their experiences in confidentiality, reflecting on their leadership style, and to address any personal or professional issues that they need to talk about but can't with anybody else. By investing in coaching, church leaders can improve their effectiveness and better serve their congregations. Collins advocates for creating a coaching culture within churches. A coaching culture emphasizes continuous growth, mutual support, and commitment to helping each person, each member, to reach their full potential. This kind of culture can be fostered through training programs, workshops, and integrating coaching principles into church life. Building a coaching culture, well, that's going to involve equipping church members with coaching skills, such as active listening, powerful questioning, and goal setting. By doing so, churches can cultivate an environment where individuals feel supported, where they're empowered to pursue their spiritual and personal goals, and able to confess things that are hard to talk about. Additionally, a coaching culture promotes a sense of community and collaboration, enhancing the overall health and the vitality of the church. Imagine using this coaching certification program to train up a team of people from your church who can serve as coaches with you in your church. It could be an amazing way to create a coaching culture and ministry in and to and for your church and members. While the integration of coaching into church life offers numerous benefits, it also comes with challenges. One major challenge is the potential resistance to change, which is common among all coaching. Some church members, perhaps most of them, might be skeptical of coaching or view it as unnecessary. To address this, Collins suggests educating the congregation about the benefits of coaching and providing some examples of positive impact as a result of coaching. Another consideration is the need for ethical guidelines and boundaries in coaching relationships. Coaches must maintain confidentiality, avoid dual relationships, and ensure that their coaching practices align with Christian values. So this requires ongoing training and supervision to uphold ethical standards and maintain the integrity of the coaching process. To illustrate the practical applications of coaching in churches, consider just a couple of examples. These examples briefly highlight how coaching has helped individuals and some church leaders overcome challenges, achieve their goals, and grow spirituality. The examples also demonstrate the diverse ways that coaching can be implemented, from one-on-one sessions to group coaching, and even conducting coaching workshops that your church members might come to. Just don't force coaching on people that are resistant to it. Let those that are interested come to you. For instance, one pastor, through coaching, clarified his vision for the church and developed a strategic plan that revitalized the entire congregation over about a 3-year period. Another involved a church member who, with the help of a coach, discovered her spiritual gifts and started a new ministry that served the entire community. Yet another produced reconciliation between a married couple that was having relationship problems. Final example of coaching is a Christian coach who, with the support of the pastors, created a coaching ministry and trained a small group of coaches to engage in coaching for spirituality and discipleship, and changed life and future progress in their church. And this resulted in numerous effective ministries coming into existence in the church, while members grew in maturity and served on mission together in the surrounding community. Chapter 18 of the textbook provides valuable insights into the integration of coaching with church life and spirituality. By embracing coaching, churches can support the spiritual growth of their members. It can empower their leaders and offer encouragement and support for continuous progress and build a vibrant and collaborative community. The principles and practices that are outlined by Dr. Collins offer a roadmap for churches who are seeking to harness the transformative power of coaching in their ministries. Here, too, this type of coaching provides an opportunity for specialization. Do you know where you will coach? In what primary setting will you likely specialize? In this course, we've presented 5 coaching specialties. These include coaching through life transitions, relationships and marriage, career planning, executive and business, churches and spirituality. It is unlikely that you're going to be effective and demonstrate expertise in all of these areas. So be sure to pray for the leading of the Holy Spirit and get advice from people who know you as you consider your own life coaching ministry. Who will you serve primarily? How will you approach them? And how are you going to build a successful coaching practice?